Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the issue where Microsoft Photos won't open on Windows 11. Let's get started. If Microsoft Photos isn't working properly, the first step is to try repairing or resetting it. Here's how. Open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Next, click on Apps and open the Installed Apps section. Scroll through the list to locate Microsoft Photos. Click on the three dots next to it to open its options. Select Advanced Options and scroll down to the Reset section. First, try repairing the app by clicking Repair. This won't affect your app's data, and it often resolves minor issues. If repairing doesn't work, click Reset. Keep in mind, this will delete your app's preferences and sign-in details, but your documents won't be affected. Click Reset again to confirm. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.